Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube classes. So today our topic is about Google Sheets. So I prepared one Google Sheet here. See here. So this is the Google Sheet. So this is the sheet name I given as Anjigo classes. So these are the columns. How many columns are present here? One, two, three, four, five. Total five columns. And coming to the rows, how many rows are there? 19 rows are there. So now, what is our goal here? So see, just here employee ID, name, designation, tenuity, location is here. So now we need to find designation. How many senior associates are here? How many associates are here? So how many developers are here? Okay. So if it is table is small, we can count. But if table is with hundreds or thousands of records, it is not possible to count, right? So in that scenario, what we will do? Just we will write one simple formula, then we will get the solution. See now I need associates from this one. So just I am selecting one cell and I am writing over the formula here. So the formula is very simple, that is nothing but it starts with equal to symbol, equals to count if, equals to count if, open parenthesis. So then what you do, just select the column. So you need designation column, right? So select the column, designation column, up to where it is. So up to C19. Okay, then once selection is completed, then keep comma here. And now in the double quotes, you need to write what is the designation you want to know. So if you want to know the designation as associate, how many associates are present in your company? So now associate, right? So type the text here. Yes. So once type the text is completed, then just close the parenthesis, close the parenthesis. Okay, close the parenthesis and just execute it, then you will get the answer. See now, so how many associates are present in your company? 7 members are present. So for suppose if I want senior associates, so if I want senior associates, just what you will do, equals to count if, equals to count if, just select the uh, designation column. Okay, so just select the designation column manually or automatically. So how the manually, I will say that's, see, so now how is the manually means, so it is starting with where, the C2, right? C2, right? So C2 to where we need C19. Otherwise you can give anything here. If I am, see now, just I will, for your understanding purpose, I will make the changes here. So I will remove this one. So for your understanding purpose, just I am selecting up to C30, up to C30. Okay, right, C30 done. So next, now you need to know the senior developers, right? Senior associate, right? Just you give, just copy paste here, that's it, you will get this. So I saw dot senior associate, right? Senior associate. So it is enough. So it will be displayed here. How many number of senior associates present in the company? 6. Now if you need developers, just this copy this one, that's it, no need to write again and again, just copy it. So now you need developers, right? So just paste over here, control V, yes. So next you change the text as developers. So you give the text as developer, right? Yeah, it's right, developer, done. See now, zero developers. Why it is showing zero developers? See, so something, if the spelling is mistake, then it will give the wrong one. So developer, developer. So but we put here what, senior developer, but here only developers are there. Senior developers are not there in the list. Yes or no? So senior developers are not there in the sheet, so just we have the developers, right? So then you will get the developers count. So see now, the associate count is 7, a senior associate count is 6, a developer count is 5. So now can you sum it? So the sum is what? It is 18, right? See now, it is 18. 18 means one, you have to delete one column here, one row here. It is for MPID name designation is there, na? So total 18 rows are present here. Am I clear? So now I will say some small changes. So here is the text is in the left side, right? So if it is you want to align in the middle, then just select this column and go here alignments. So just here horizontal alignment, make it middle. Okay, done. So your names are in the middle now, right? So in the same manner, I need designation also comes in the middle. Just horizontal align, center align. Next tenuity also same here, horizontal align, center align. Yeah. Now for suppose I need location as from Hyderabad. How many employees are from Hyderabad? Okay. So just I am typing here uh, Hyderabad location. So it is enough anything. Okay, it's fine, right? Hyderabad location. So how many employees are working from Hyderabad? So I need to know this, right? So what you will do, same thing, just is equals to count if. Now select the range. Okay, now select the range. What is this question mark is showing here? This question mark is giving you a suggestion. See, it is suggesting what is the syntax. The suggesting syntax is count if, range and criteria. Okay, so now as of now I know this one, then I am now I know no, not required this. So just I am now selecting the range. So you can select anything. Here nothing is there na, so it will not display anything. So see, I selected the range. Next, put the comma here. Then you need location as Hyderabad, right? So it is case sensitive. So you should use whatever the text given in the data. You should use the same thing here. So if you misspell, then it will won't display anything. Just it will display null. Okay, right. Now count if. So how many people are belongs to Hyderabad here? Total 5 people. See, we will check it whether it is correct or not. So Hyderabad, we will give a color as red color. Hyderabad, okay, Hyderabad. Sorry, red. Okay. Next, one more Hyderabad employee is there. So next Hyderabad employee is here. Okay. Yeah. Any more Hyderabad? Yeah, here is also one employee is there. So see now, count how many employees from Hyderabad. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So this is in this way we should use the count if operator to find the sum. Right? See now this is little bit change. This is location, right? Yes, Hyderabad location. So I got you understood this point, right? So in this way we should write the formula to find the count. Okay, so if it is sheet is your if is your if your sheet is large, then it is hard to find on the with this like this. But if sheet is small, it is easy to find. But whenever your sheet is large with thousands of records, what should you do? You have to go with the formula, just it. So this formula, same formula will apply in the Excel sheet also. This is a Google sheet. Okay, so Google or Excel both are almost all same, but some features are different. Okay, right. So now I will say one thing to you. See here, here we selected from C2 to C30, right? Range is C2 to C30. So C30 means till here, C30 till here, right? So till here, yeah. So now if I see now what is this one, right? So senior associate C to C30. Now I am entering one record here. So I am just copying this one, copy, and I am pasting over here. See the senior associate count. Just I will make it smaller. Senior, see the senior associate count. So it is increasing gradually, yes or no? Why it is increasing gradually? Why? Because you already chosen the range from C2 to C30. So it is automatically increasing the count. For suppose if we go for the associate, it won't increase. See now. If I am go for the associate, it won't increase. See control, sorry. So control A, so control C, right? Okay, right? Now I am copying, right? Now I am pasting here, control V. See the associate count, it is not increasing, right? Why it is not increasing? So what is the reason behind this? The reason is here the range is from C2 to C19 only. C2 to C19. That's why it is checking from the C2 to C19 cell. So if the range is, if I now I am changing the range, I am changing the range to C2 to C30. C30 30. Now see the count here also changed. Yes or no? So that is the range here. So if you are given the limited range, then the count will be displayed within the range. So if you give the range up to where that much records will be counted. Okay, that many records will be counted. So this is about your Google Sheet. So the simple formula is this one. So this is the formula, this one. Okay. So copy. Yeah, I am pasting here. Oh, sorry. So it is again just it is taking, right? See here. Yeah. So we cannot copy and we cannot paste over here. So I am come back my changes with Control Z. Okay. So the formula is here. You can see this one. Okay. Yeah, you can see this one. So it is too large, right? Yeah. This is the formula. Okay. So whenever we click on the count, the formula will be reflected here. So this is a formula. Okay. So this is a formula. So count if range what you need. So for suppose I need tenuity, right? So tenuity is greater than what I need. Tenuity is greater than 2 years. So what we will do? See, now we will do this. So now see now I am taking tenuity. Okay. So tenuity I need now. So now I am selecting. I am writing a formula here is equals to count if. So now I am selecting the tenuity column. So this is tenuity column, D column. So I am selecting the tenuity column. So I given up to D33. Then I am keeping comma here. Then what you need? You need tenuity as 2 or you need tenuity as what? So now I need tenuity greater than 2 years. Okay, tenuity greater than 2 years. We will try with the two things. Okay, just I'm using double quotes and I'm greater than 2, closing the double quotes, closing the parenthesis. So now I will check whether it will get or not. See, how many people are greater than 2 years of experience? 10 people are greater than 2 years of experience. Yes or no? Now we will check for less than. Though the person who have less than 2 years of experience. Right. Yeah, right. Now see that one. 0 will be reflected, right? Yeah, 0. Because the minimum tenuity of the each and every employee is 2 years. Yes or no? Yes. So if you want tenuity is equals to 6 years, then we will show. See here. Now I need tenuity is equals to 2. Sorry, is equal to 6 years. Yeah. Now see how many records will be displayed here. The count is 3. We will check once. See the 6 is here, 6 is here, only year 6 is there. So only 3 6 3 6 years. Yes or no here? 1 2 3. So do you got the formula right? So in this way we will check all the things from the Excel sheet or your Google sheet. Okay, so thanks for watching.